Multipurpose Oven 040226. The multipurpose oven is designed for burning the insulation of electric motor windings without air access, with the purpose of destroying it and drying the electric machines after treatment. The oven for drying and burning electric motors is an integral element for an electric motor repair shop. It provides an even, controlled distribution of heat throughout the tank. It does not allow emitted decaying products of insulating materials to ignite. These key requirements are dictated by the necessity to prevent overheating of the magnetic core in electric motors, and as a result, reduce the impact of repair on such an important parameter as iron loss. The multipurpose oven consists of a housing, a heater, a container for burning and drying, a lid, a coarse cleaning filter, opening and locking mechanisms for the lid, a separate hydraulic unit, and a burning mode control cabinet. This oven is patented by Electromash Trading House LLC. The housing consists of a welded frame in which 2 layers of high-quality heat-insulating materials are laid, which certainly has a positive effect on the energy efficiency of the unit. Along the inner perimeter, the housing has a chute for filling quartz sand, which acts as a gate between it and the burning container, which prevents the penetration of gases generated during the decay of insulation into the premises. The heater is the foundation for installing the oven housing. 3 nichrome spirals are used as heating elements. When the maximum temperature on the surface of the spirals is reached, the heater is automatically turned off, regardless of the temperature set in the container. As for mechanisms for opening and closing the furnace lid, lifting levers are used, driven by 2 hydraulic cylinders. To prevent the lid from falling, a mechanism is provided for its fixation, taking into account an individual approach to each order. Electromash Trading House LLC will consider your technical requirements for the manufacture of an oven with different parameters from those proposed. Electric equipment repair supplier, Electromash Trading House.